Looking for effective chest exercises you can do at home? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to explore the top 5 chest exercises that can be performed right in your living room. These workouts are not just convenient, they are also a great way to save time and money. Imagine no more expensive gym memberships or battling rush hour traffic to get to your workout. Stay tuned as we dive into these exercises, no fancy gym equipment needed. Starting off with a classic, the push-up. This exercise targets not only your chest but also your shoulders and triceps. To execute a proper push-up, begin in a high plank position. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor. Keep your elbows close to your body as you push back up to the starting position. It's crucial to maintain a straight line from your head to your heels throughout the exercise. Remember, it's not about how many you can do, but how well you do them. Next up, we have dips. This exercise is great for targeting the lower part of your chest. Start by positioning yourself on the edge of a sturdy chair or bench, hands gripping the edge firmly. Lower your body by bending your elbows, then push back up. The key is to keep your body upright and not lean too forward. This engages your chest muscles more effectively. Remember, it's not about how many you can do, but how well you do them. Quality over quantity, always. Moving on to incline push-ups. This variation targets the upper chest. To get started, find a sturdy table or bench. Place your hands on the edge, slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Step back until your body forms a straight line from your head to your heels. Now bend your elbows and lower your chest toward the table. Be mindful to keep your body straight and avoid sagging hips. Push back up to the starting position and there you go. Remember, consistency is key in seeing progress. Now let's get into diamond push-ups. This variation focuses on the inner chest. Imagine a diamond shape formed by the hands right under your chest. Your fingers should be touching, with your index fingers and thumbs creating the top of the diamond. This is your starting position. Now lower your body towards the ground, maintaining this diamond shape with your hands. Your elbows should be tucked in, brushing the sides of your body as you descend. Keep your back flat and your core engaged throughout the movement. This ensures you're targeting the chest muscles and not straining your back. Once you've reached as low as you can go, push back up to the starting position. This completes one diamond push-up. Remember to keep your movements controlled. It's not about how many you can do quickly, but about the quality of each repetition. And that's how you do a diamond push-up. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Last but not least, wide push-ups. This exercise targets the outer chest. To start, place your hands on the floor, wider than shoulder width apart. This is your base. Your fingers should be pointed forward and your palms should be flat. Now brace your core. It's crucial to keep your body in a straight line from your head to your heels. Next, lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor. Remember, your elbows should be flaring out slightly. Now push your body back up to the starting position while maintaining that straight line. That's one rep. Performing wide push-ups may be challenging at first, but don't get discouraged. It's all about progress, not perfection. Remember to breathe in as you lower your body and breathe out as you push back up. With every rep, you're strengthening your outer chest and building muscle endurance. With these exercises, you're well on your way to a stronger chest. And there you have it, 5 effective chest exercises you can do right at home. Push-ups, dips, incline, and diamond push-ups, and wide push-ups. Why not add these to your routine and step up your workout game? Remember, consistency is key. Keep grinding and you'll see results in no time.